A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. Today we will do the worksheet given on page number 64 in your book. In this worksheet, we have combined questions from chapter 1 to 5. Okay, so let's have a look. For completing this, first of all, you all have to revise the chapters. Okay, then you will be able to complete it. Some answers I will tell you, and some you have to attempt by yourself. Okay, so the first question in fill in the blank is: a small hollow square at the bottom right corner of the table is called. Okay, the hollow square using which you can increase or decrease the size of the table, that is called the table resize handle. Okay, the first one. Second question, fill in the blank is: to open the task view pane, press the key combination. So press Windows plus tab key to open the task view pane. Okay. Third question is in fill in the blanks: this is the new feature in PowerPoint using which you can add math equations in your presentation. So this is the fresh topic which we have just covered in chapter 5. It is called ink equation option, using which we can write freehand equation and PowerPoint converts that into a text. Okay, now remaining only two remained. Okay, so these two you will try to attempt by yourself. I am coming to true and false. So snap feature allow you to drag and drop a window to the corner of the screen. This question is from the chapter Windows 10. Okay, so just revise the chapter and try to find the answer of first one. Second one, you cannot resize a live tile. So this one is false because you can resize the tile. Third one is AutoFit contains option adjust the column width according to the data entered. Okay, actually this option is used to fit the text according to the size of the cell, not to adjust the column width according to the size of the text. Okay. Fourth one is to move to the next slide. In slideshow, escape key is used. This one is absolutely false because escape key is used to close the presentation. Okay. Fifth one, you will attempt yourself. Okay, now at the last we have matching part. So in matching part also some hints I will give you and some you will try to find by yourself. Okay, Lady Augusta Loyens, she is considered as the first programmer. Okay, so the first one will match with this. Okay, now Blaise Pascal. What Blaise Pascal did? Find it. And second generation computers, which technology was used in second generation computers? And in third generation computer, what was used? See, I am giving you hint in this one and in the second one and the fourth one. Okay, Pascaline and transistors and integrated circuit. The answer will be from these three. Okay, right option I am not telling you, you will try to find. Okay, analytical engine was designed in 1833. It's very easy to guess also. And that's all in this exercise. Worksheet 2 we will do later. So complete this exercise. Just take a quick review to all the chapters and complete it. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.